looking to boost your energy and performance naturally, the Alpha Gummy claims it can help. But is it the real deal or just another skin? We did the research so you don't have to. Alpha Gummy is a male enhancement supplement in gummy form. It is marketed to improve the energy, stamina, and quality. It is used and it enables you to achieve and maintain fem's erection, boost your libido and energy levels, enhance sexual stamina. It supports healthy testosterone levels and increase overall vitality. Now, if we're going to see the ingredients of this Alpha Gummy product, it's contain L-arginine, which is known as nitrioxide. L-arginine is an essential for enhancing blood flow, which is a vital for maintaining strong erection. While the second ingredient is neca root. In traditional medicine, it is celebrated as a potent libido enhancer. This powerful nutrient helps boost sexual desire and endurance. While third ingredient is Tribulus paristris, which is reputed for its ability to significantly raise testosterone levels and improve sexual function, enhancing both libido and sexual performance. While the fourth ingredient is ginkgo biloba, which is known for improving blood flow and circulation, which is so crucial for erectile strength. It also supports nerve health within the sexual organs. Now, these ingredients are commonly found in male enhancement supplements. Some studies suggest they may offer benefits, but the results can vary. Now, if you're going to see the feedback of users, the customer reviews are mixed. One said that I experienced no side effects from Alpha Bite gummies. Alpha Bite's male enhancement reviews reflect similar experience with users reporting positive results without adverse reaction. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have allergic or existing medical condition. Now, Alpha Gummy customer review once said that after 2 weeks of using Alpha White gummies, I felt an increase in my energy and confidence. My partner has noticed the difference too. Second one said that I have experienced some improvements with Alpha Bites through the results are praisable. However, it's refreshing to have a natural option that works. Now, most of the users report no significant side effects. However, a few have experienced mild digestive discomfort or headache. These are generally short-lived and subside with continued use. Alpha Gummy offers a 180 money-back guarantee, allowing users to try the product risk-free. Pricing varies with discounts available for multi-bottle purchases. So, Alpha Gummy appears to be a legitimate product with natural ingredients. While some users report positive effects, others see little to no change. As with any supplements, individual results may vary. If you are considering trying Alpha Gummy, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health condition. Alpha Gummy is not a scam, but its effectiveness may differ from person to person. With a generous money-back guarantee, it might be worth trying if you are looking for a natural supplement to support your vitality.